Hello everyone, I am Antonio, and today we're at Daling village located in Panyu District, Guangzhou City. It is an ancient village that has a history over 900 years old. So, what makes it have such a long history?
Let's put it this way. Daling village was built during the Song dynasty. The ancient trees, bridges, and pagodas, every single corner marks the history and tells a story.
Today, let's take a look at how Daling village has brought the 900 years of culture and history back to life. Let's go.
Lingnan culture villages are inseparable from water. Daling village faces the Yudai River. This 900-meter-long river connects the cultural landscape of Daling village, making Daling village a traditional Lingnan-style riverside village. Walking along the Yudai River, I passed by a lot of beautiful trees and flowers to arrive to the Longjing Bridge. This ancient bridge has a history of more than 300 years. It is one of the oldest existing stone arch bridges in Panyu and is of great significance to the study of stone arch bridges in ancient Lingnan culture.
I heard that on the north side of this stone fence, there's a pictogram of a foreigner engraved in the stone slab. Let's see if we can find it. Whoa, I found it! You see, that's a very rare sight to see.
I see a lot of ancestral temples on my way here.
This is also an extremely important and unique cultural identity of Daling village. And the largest among them all is Xianzong Temple, which is the building right behind me.
It covers an area of 1,632 square meters and has a history of more than 500 years.
Look at this stone carving. It's actually a Western boy. It seems that the villagers of Daling had many close contacts with Westerners in the past before. Today's last stop is the cultural and creative pedestrian street. Walking on this street, it feels like I have traveled from the Qing and Ming dynasty to the present day. It is so trendy.
Since 2018, more than 20 cultural, creative, and intangible cultural heritage studios have settled in Daling village. Stamp carving, indigo dyeing, aromatherapy. I can't even imagine how excited my friend who loves cultural and creative products would be to come here.
Daling village is indeed very big, and its story cannot be shared in only one trip, but I love the atmosphere here.
A vibrant century-old village, filled with people, but still quiet and peaceful, retaining its original spatial pattern and historical relics.
This has become the beautiful memory of Daling village in my mind, and I hope it will become yours too. See you next time.